Angelina Jolie is exhausted, but relieved her divorce from Brad Pitt is now over. Exclusive source. A source says Angelina Jolie will continue to stand up to Brad Pitt in their separate winery lawsuit until he ends it. Angelina Jolie is looking forward to putting her divorce from Brad Pitt behind her, now that Jolie, 49, and Pitt, 61, have hashed out the terms of their split 8 years. After they initially broke up, a Jolie source tells People, Angelina is relieved the divorce is finalized. Her divorce attorney James Simon of Hirschmanis said in a statement December 30th, more than 8 years ago, Angelina filed for divorce from Mr. Pitt. She and the children left all of the properties they had shared with Mr. Pitt, and since that time, she is focused on finding peace and healing for their family. This is just one part of a long ongoing process that started 8 years ago. Frankly, Angelina is exhausted, but she's relieved this one part is over. A rep for Pitt declined to confirm or comment. The exes are still locked in a bitter battle over the French winery Chateau Miraval, which they used to own together. Pitt originally sued Jolie in 2022 for selling her stake of the business to Tenuta del Mondo, the wine division of the Stoli Group. Until he ends the Miraval lawsuit, Angelina will continue to stand up to him, the Jolie source adds. Related, Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie reached divorce settlement after more than 8 years of intense legal fighting. Exclusive. Pitt has alleged in court that Jolie violated a verbal and written agreement to not sell their stakes in Miraval without both parties' permission. Jolie has denied that there was ever such an agreement. Jolie claims she wanted to sell to Pitt, but he demanded she sign an overly restrictive non-disclosure agreement, which would have prevented her from speaking out about his alleged abuse during their relationship. Pitt has denied being abusive to Jolie or their 6 children, the majority of whom have reached legal age. Maddox, 23, Pax, 21, Zahara, 19, Shiloh, 18, and 16-year-old twins Knox and Vivian. After years of legal back and forth over Miraval, Jolie scored a legal victory in November, after a judge in the case ruled that Pitt must disclose documents that Paul Murphy, a lawyer for Jolie, claimed will prove communications concerning abuse, lies to authorities, and years of cover-up on the actor's part. Murphy said the information they're seeking is crucial evidence that Pitt has fought for years to hide. The same month, Pitt also notched his own victory in the winery battle when Jolie's motions to dismiss the lawsuit were rejected, and the case inched closer to trial with potential proof that there was a written agreement between the former couple about selling, which a Pitt source said demonstrates the legitimacy of his claims. Related, why Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt's divorce took 8 years. Legal experts explain the perfect storm. Exclusive. A Pitt insider previously claimed to People that Jolie made the Miraval case personal for no other reason than to inflict pain on Pitt. But the Jolie source says this is Pitt's doing. She wants this to end, and the children want this to end, says the source. While he has the ability to do the right thing, drop the lawsuit and focus on healing their family, he has made it clear he has no plans to do so. Read the original article on People.